How to make passive income with an automated YouTube channel in 2024. Now, I've made income off of many of my AI videos, so I'm going to jump right into it, make this super easy for you. You're unlikely to make any money without a strategy. Your channel has to get monetized first, which is going to take YouTube some time to trust it, allow you to do thumbnails, allow you to link, give you enough watch time, be active for a couple months, and then get monetized. So that's the first thing. There's a bit of a runway to do that. The second thing is your videos have to at least be making $5 to $10 each to really be worth anything. If you're going to make 90 cents a video, too much time, too much effort, you're not even going to pay for the tools that you need to do it. However, if you use a bit of a strategy by finding videos that are not very competitive and then loading up on them in terms of volume, you're very likely to start making some passive income. So I'm going to show you exactly how I would do it in 2024. With 11 years of digital marketing experience, I've used artificial intelligence to build a platform on Udemy with over 100,000 students. I built a multi-six-figure agency. And I've helped companies leveraging automated and artificial intelligence run websites, help them improve their online reputations, and score over $1 billion in Series C financing. Before you get started, I recommend clicking the link in the description below, getting started with InVideo AI right now. It's the best way. I'll teach you how to configure it and make the best videos.
So here's how I do it. I use the InVideo AI system, and I would do a very specific video. I made a video that was not AI, and it was getting about $20 to $30 a month, and it was on how to incorporate a Canadian business. So that's super specific. Create a short on how to incorporate a business in Ontario. So again, this isn't a top 10 video. It's not going to go viral. This strategy is different, but it's working on gaps in content. Nobody's making a video about how to incorporate a business in Ontario, Canada. Although only 7,000 people are searching for it, I can make 10, 20 videos about these sort of niches. So this is a very guaranteed way to make that passive income. Everybody else is teaching you shot in the dark. Either you get 1 million views or you're broke. I'm teaching you this is how you make an extra $700 to $2,000 a month in passive income and guarantee it. So I would make this video again and again in different formats, different versions, different titles, different angles, and publish them daily. Eventually you'll get monetized and you will start making a passive income. Focus on the best performing videos, repeat, and you'll get to where you need.
I don't think people understand how easy it is to federally incorporate a business in Ontario. Did you know that 65% of successful businesses are federally incorporated? First, ensure your business name is unique and available. Use the Nuance report to check.
So that's how I would start an automated YouTube channel today in 2024 for passive income. If you have any questions, drop me a comment down below. And thank you for watching. Good luck making some passive income. Don't forget to grab your InVideo AI subscription. Click on the link in the description below and get a free trial today.